Dear friends, up till now I have covered course 2 and that course 2 is already launched on my website, and under that we have covered many MCQs and theory, and the label was Basics of Organic Chemistry for NEET, JEE and MSc CET. Now onwards I have started course 2, various MCQs, advanced level MCQs of course 2. Although I have announced that this as course 2, this lecture and henceforth, this will be included in course 1. Therefore, you will the course 1, those who have subscribed or are the members of course 1, automatically the course 2 they will get it, and it will be automatic part of course 1. Now let us start with MCQs of course 2. Here is a structure. Now, we need not go into the functional group and nomenclature because that is not part which is asked, although aldehyde group is attached to aromatic ring, benzene ring, ketonic group is present, CH bonds are present, aliphatic CH bond, carbon of aromatic hydrogen atom, aromatic CH bond, even here CH bond is present, this is the aldehyde group, this CH bond, and methyl group which is attached to carbonyl carbon CH bond. So many CH bonds are present in this compound, and what is asked is this. Let me read it out. Select from the mentioned protons the one which is most acidic. Mentioned protons, which among these, means the CH bonds, and here the numbers are given, the choices are given, the options. One number is given to this 1, this one is 2, this one is 3, and this one is 4. Among these 4, which one is more acidic? Now, the acidic word, what does it mean? We have considered such type of examples earlier also. Broadly, in specific, this one is different. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Among these 4, which one is more acidic? Means among these 4, which hydrogen atom can be removed easily in the form of, means as in the form of H plus ions, especially in presence of weak base or strong base, dilute. It should be dilute. Now, this is aldehydic group and this is hydrogen atom directly attached to carbon of carbonyl group in aldehyde. If hydrogen atom is removed in the form of H plus ions, the electron pair will be left behind. It can be this hydrogen, this hydrogen, this hydrogen. Hydrogen atom, if it is removed in the form of H plus ions because of base, the electron pair will remain with carbon, giving rise to what we call as carbanion. And among these 4 CH bonds, CH bond number 1, 2, let me repeat it, 3 and 4, in which case the heterolysis of CH bond, heterolytic breaking of CH bond is easy. Now, in this case, the explanation can be given in so many patterns. Hydrogen, if it is removed, what remains behind is carbanion. 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 Now, let me explain this CH bond in aldehyde group. The hydrogen in aldehyde group, this has a tendency to get transmitted in the form of, get transmitted as hydride ion, H minus ion. So, in the form of proton, means in the form of H plus ions, that is just not applicable to this hydrogen atom of aldehyde group. Now, this hydrogen atom, CH bond of aromatic ring, there are such 4 CH bonds here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And as we know, in aromatic ring, the CH bond, electrophilic substitution reactions take place. Means hydrogen atom of aromatic ring, for example, it is considered to be this, it can be considered to be this also. The hydrogen atom goes out in the form of H plus and it is replaced by some other electrophile, like what we had considered during bromination of alkanes, bromination of phenols. Here, since we are considering acidic nature, means hydrogen is to be removed in the form of H plus ions in presence of weak base. Again, means weak base is nucleophile, it can be any. Let me represent that weak base in the form of OH minus ions. So, because of presence of weak base, the hydrogen is to be removed. Here hydrogen gets removed, but that is because of electrophilic substitution reactions, SE reactions. So, even that option is not applicable for this question. Now, the two options which remain, third one and this fourth one. If this hydrogen atom gets removed in the form of H plus ions, carbanion will be formed. But this CH bond, basically CH bond is less polar, but this CH, this carbon is attached to carbonyl group, and because of electron withdrawing effect of carbonyl group, this becomes polar, and this CH bond has tendency to get broken heterolytically, giving rise to carbanion. The same is applicable here also. So, this option now that is not applicable. Hydrogen directly attached to carbon of aromatic ring is not applicable. Among these two, if this hydrogen atom goes out in the form of H plus ions in presence of base, let me write it here. If this hydrogen atom goes out in the form of H plus ions, the shared pair becomes a lone pair, means carbanion. And if this hydrogen atom were removed, then this would also get converted into carbanion. But this carbanion is more stable than that one because of resonance. How resonance is possible here? Because there is a conjugation. Now, lone pair sigma pi, pi sigma pi, pi sigma pi. Let me repeat in reverse manner. Pi sigma bond pi, pi bond sigma pi, pi sigma lone pair. So, because of this resonance, this electron pair, if it gets shifted here, this will get transmitted here. Now, since we have considered such type of examples earlier also, I will not show each and every step. And then this will get shared here, this will get transmitted here. Then this electron pair will get shared here, this will get transmitted here. If I write it directly, the lone pair gets shared here. So, this pi, it gets shared between these two carbon atoms. Let me write it here. If this gets shared here, this goes here and pi will go to this oxygen. And ultimately it will result in, I will show here itself. Ultimately it will result in what? This lone pair forms a bond pair. this pi bond comes here, this pi will come here, and ultimately pi out of this will come here. Routine 2 electron pairs, lone pairs are there. So ultimately, the carbanion which was formed here, which I had shown earlier, the negative charge because of resonance gets transmitted because of various resonating forms. It can get transmitted and can develop, the negative charge can get transferred on oxygen, which is more electronegative. It means that the negative charge which is developed on this carbanion gets decentralized over so many nuclei, and it can also be present on this oxygen. See, more the resonating forms and more the decentralized nature of charge, here it is negative charge, more is the stability. And therefore, the CH bond here, if it gets broken and giving rise to H plus ions, acidic hydrogen atom, will result in such a stable species because of resonance. As compared to that, here the resonance is between only these three nuclei. The lone pair which will be produced, hydrogen, the moment hydrogen goes out in the form of H plus ions, this carbanion is produced. This carbanion will get shared here and pi electron goes to oxygen. So the resonating forms here, as compared to that, negative charge on this carbon after heterolysis of CH bond gets transmitted to this oxygen. There are various resonating forms. I have clubbed all. So if you consider all these factors, among the four, initially I have shown you, this one is more acidic, is the answer. So the third, it was third CH bond, and that one was fourth. Third one will be more acidic. If suppose that the question under consideration is which one is more acidic, this is the answer. The CH bond present here, it can be this or this. If we had to choose order, then it would be third, then the number of fourth, then it will be this, means second one, and then it will be 1. As far as this question is concerned, our job is over, but still, because this is hydrogen which is attached to aromatic carbon atom, electrophilic substitution, aldehydic hydrogen has tendency to go out in the form of hydride ions. These two have tendency to go out in the form of H plus ions, this one and this one. You can just rewind and go back and again come forward. So the answer for this question is this. Still I have extended this and given you the order. So this is how we should look for such type of, look in this manner, in this fashion towards this type of question.